In China, intelligent AI technology has begun to be widely used in people's daily life. More and more restaurants are using robots to serve food. In this community canteen, from ordering to cooking, everything is operated by robots.
It's like people here don't even seem to notice the robots around them. It's like they've already become a part of everyday life. Like this robot over here that makes noodles. If you decided all of a sudden at 3 a.m. in the morning you wanted a hot, steaming, fresh bowl of noodles, you wouldn't even have to wake anyone up for it because robots don't have to sleep.
Located in Hongqiao Subdistrict, Shanghai, the Community AI Canteen is the first AI canteen in Shanghai and even in China.
Wow. This robot's actually a pretty good chef. Now, if only I had some coffee to go with it, then it'd be perfect. What? The robot even drew a swan on top. That's wild. That's actually pretty good.
Nowadays, robots have been widely used in fields such as catering, hotels, education, medical care, and logistics. As robots become increasingly dexterous, they can do more and better things.
The demand for these machines is only getting bigger. So now we're not just seeing robots in factories, but also in the service industry in our daily lives.
目前在国内机器人应用比较多的领域有几个大的方面。首先呢，就是在这个工业领域，比如说一些汽车行业、一些电子行业以及一些半导体行业。另外一个的话，就是在一些商业领域，这个智慧餐厅，还有就是在教育领域。机器人本身就是智能制造的一个基础装备，它可以推动这个实体经济高质量发展作为一个重要的支撑。
It's no doubt that robots are becoming a bigger part of our lives and offering us more conveniences. It's really hard to say what all robots will be able to do in the future, but no matter the case, it looks like we're going to have to learn how to live alongside them and work together to create our more futuristic world.